Welcome to Shom Hashavas on the Daf. She responds to Nishvas Hashavas Le'apas Yitzchok. We are holding Metzia Daf Chovov. The Gemara in Amud Beis teaches us the three mitzvahs that you have in Hashavas Aveida. A person who does not return to Aveida, he accepts the fact that his oiver loy sigzoil, stealing, which applies to anything someone takes that doesn't belong to him. In addition, you have two other mitzvahs. You have loy sucha lisalim, you can't ignore an Aveida. And hashev teshivim, you have to give it back to the owner. So it comes out that by Aveida, you have more mitzvahs than you have in a regular gzeil. To an extent that Rabbi Zilberstein brings a question. A person has no choice, he needs for pikuach nefesh, he must take something that doesn't belong to him. If not, he's not going to survive. So he needs to choose which Aveira is less. Should he go to someone's house and steal? Or you should take an Aveida that has simonim and not return it back. You would think taking an Aveida is already in the street, it's better. Says Rabbi Zilberstein, you see from our Gemara, no. Picking up an Aveida that has simonim and with the intention to have to return it is 3 Aveiras, while stealing is only 1 Aveira. So better to steal than to take an Aveida that has simonim and not return it. How do we understand this? What's the basic Havana that Aveida is so much more chomer than stealing? So maybe, based on what's brought down in the Sfarim HaKadoshim, we can understand a little bit. Because Aveida is miramis to something which is very deep. And Sefer HaZoya and Chelek Beis, the Fkuv Yudal, the Mudalef, regarding the Mitzvah Hashavas Aveida, is merumas over there that the Hashavas Aveida refers to Moshe Rabbeinu. That when Moshe Rabbeinu came down from the mountain, Chet HaHegel, he threw the luchos away, and there was a level of Torah that was lost. That level of Torah is called an Aveida. And the Mitzvah Hashavas Aveida is a reflection to above, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is going to return to Moshe Rabbeinu, that Aveida that he lost, the Torah in that level. And as the Ramchal explains a little bit more in his Sefer Shorshe HaMitzvos Klal Nun Aleph, that the Torah of Moshe Rabbeinu is considered to be the Kala of Moshe Rabbeinu. It's considered to be, so to speak, his wife. And each one in Klal Yisrael has a chelik in Torah Moshe. And that Torah, that glory of Torah on the highest level, was lost at Chet HaHegel. We got the Luchos Shniyos, we got a secondary Torah with Kol Torah Sheba'al Peh that we have in our hands. But we're eventually going to go back to that level of Torah. There was the entire Matan Torah of Luchos Rishonos. And that avoid of bringing back the Torah back to Moshe Rabbeinu is considered to be a Hashavas Aveida. Kadosh Baruch Hu is going to give back the Aveida, is going to be Meshiv the Aveida to Moshe Rabbeinu. And the reference to Moshe Rabbeinu means to Am Yisrael. Am Yisrael will get back the level of Torah there was in Luchos Rishonos. And just to add to this, what we spoke in previous Shiurim, that we know we celebrate Shavuos every year, the Chag of Matan Torah. But the luchos that were given in Shavuos were lost. There was Shviras luchos. The luchos that we have is only luchos Shniyos. So why do we still have the Chag HaShavuos? But the simple answer is the Chag HaShavuos is because we got that potential of the highest Torah possible, and that Torah will come back to us. That's the soy that David HaMelech's birthday and Yortzeit is on Shavuos. Because David HaMelech is the one who's going to return everything back to its original state. David HaMelech is Cherish Melech HaMashiach, who's going to bring back the world to where it's supposed to be. And that's the idea of the mitzvah of Hashavas Aveida. We know that all the mitzvahs that we do is that we midame to the Elyonim, we midame to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Our mitzvahs that we perform down here or reflection and a drive to bring out that Inyan up there in Shamayim. And if Mitzvah Hashavas Aveida is the idea of bringing the ultimate Aveida back, the Gilui Torah Begadluso B'Tifarto in its highest level to where it's supposed to be. So therefore Mitzvah Hashavas Aveida is such a Mitzvah Chashuvo because it brings that about. So after that's the Pshat, Mitzvah Hashavas Aveida, you have 3 mitzvahs involved. Gzeila is a different Inyan. Yeah, obviously to steal is something which is wrong, and there's also Inyanim Mepi that. How does that work with Moshe Rabbeinu? But Hashavas Aveida, which is the ultimate tachlis of the Geula, that's a mitzvah which is mitzvah chashuvo, and if someone doesn't fulfill that, He's creating a great damage in the world. That's why there's 3 mitzvahs involved in this mitzvah. Anyone who wants to join Shomachshava email list, what's a group, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.